I'm gonna show you how I made this Buzzy Beetle from Mario Maker 2.
I guess we'll start off with this folk art. Black. Looks pretty promising. So I've noticed he's kind of... some of them they have him as black. Some of them they have him as a dark blue. It's kind of like a... in between. The old ones he was jet black with a white rim and a yellow body. So I'm just gonna start off with painting his shell black, because I really don't know yet if I want, if I want him to have just a jet black shell. But it doesn't hurt to lay down a base coat first, because I'll probably more than likely need to do multiple coats. So who's your favorite Mario enemy? I like all the little Koopalings, or whatever you want to call them, like Bowser's children. I always thought they were really cool. I always thought they should have added them to the Mario Maker, where you could, have a bigger selection. But, I guess they can't put everything in it. I always like those little guys that puke out a big old ball of spikes and throw it over their head. Remember those guys? They were super cool. They were like little tiny. Then there was also those big sumo guys that were on top of the blocks, and they would stomp and make fire come up from the ground. Those guys were dope. And I apologize if I don't sound like I'm all here. I just got out of surgery a few days ago, so I'm still not 100% back to normal. I'm still a little groggy. You know what I was wondering? I've got this color shift. I wonder if it would look cool on his shell. You know what I mean? Like, maybe it would give it some dimension. I'll go ahead and do his body. Now what I've done is I've mixed orange and yellow together, and it's kind of made this creamsicle color. And I can tell I'm using a different brand of paint because it's very watery, and it doesn't want to go on very easily. You get what you pay for when it comes to paint. So we're going to do a few more coats of that, and then I'll move on. Alright, we got him painted to the best of my abilities right now. The yellow still, it's not the best paint, but it's what I had, so. anyways, what I'm thinking is I'm probably gonna go ahead and try out this color shift, because the way I look at it is, if it looks bad, then I can go over it and go back to black. But you know, it might look amazing, and if it looks amazing, then I don't want to miss out on it looking amazing. So let's see what it looks like. I've never used this paint. So let's give it a whirl. Looks like it might be kind of a finish. Oh my goodness. That is very purple. Wow. So see, there's an example of it doesn't look like that on the brush, but once I apply it, it turns very purple. And that's very interesting. So I'm just gonna keep going with it and see what happens. Maybe I'll go back, add a little bit of black.
Alright, and after a few coats of paint, the Buzzy Beetle is done. He's got kind of a purplish metallic under his under that gloss coat. But yeah, Gorilla Glue Clear Gorilla Glue gives it that real shiny, lacquered finish. Really cheap and really easy. But I think it came out pretty cool. Even got his little underbelly. But for him to be such a simple design, he's a very iconic Mario enemy. But anyways, if you like the video, hit that subscribe button and check out my other content. And as always, thanks for watching.